Okay, now we will discuss the divisibility by 2 in case of 3-digit number. So, a 3-digit number is 100A plus 10B plus C. You all know the general form of 3-digit number. That means 3-digit numbers are expressed as 100A plus 10B plus C. Okay, so it is divisible by 2 if. Now, any 3-digit number is divisible by 2 if, again you will focus on only unit place digit, that is C in this case. If C is equals to 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that means if at the position of C, that is if a unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 or any of them, okay. So the number is considered to be divisible by 2. Why? Because the digit because since 100A and 10B are already divisible by 2. These two positions digits, that is the digit at 100 place and the digit at 10th place, is considered already to be divisible by 2. Okay, see the example over here, 350. It has 0 at its unit position, that means it is divisible by 2. 254, it has 4 at its unit position, that means it is divisible by 2. 466, it has 6 at its unit position, that means it is divisible by 2. Okay, on a whole, what we concluded in the divisibility by 2? That means, hence, a number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is an even number or 0, that is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. ऑन अ होल हमें ये पता चला कि किसी भी नंबर को 2 से डिविजिबल तभी कहा जाएगा, इट विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 2 ओनली एंड ओनली इफ द यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट इज 0 और एनी वन ऑफ दीज इवन नंबर. ओके, अगर यूनिट प्लेस की डिजिट 0 है या फिर इन सारे इवन नंबर्स में से कोई भी है. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स द गिवन नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. I hope it's clear. Moving on to next divisibility rule, that is divisibility by 3 or 9. Now the divisibility by 3 or 9 has same rules. That means you have to apply the same rules for checking that whether the number is divisible by 3 or whether the number is divisible by 9 or not. Okay, so in case of 3 or 9 the rules are same. So let us start the rule. A 2-digit number can be written as 10A plus B. You all know that. अब मैं इसको थोड़े से चेंजेस इसमें करूँगी. Now tell me 10A can be written as 9A plus A. Yes, it can be written because 9A plus A obviously gives you 10A only, na? Okay, so 9A plus A plus B as it is copied. Now take this A plus B in one bracket. Okay, it is divisible by 3 or 9. It is means any 2-digit number is divisible by 3 or 9 if A plus B is divisible by 3 or 9. That means in this case you just have to focus on this A plus B because 9A is already considered to be divisible by 3 or 9. So that means you have to consider on this sum of digits. If A plus B value is divisible by 9, that means the given 2-digit number is divisible by 9. If A plus B value is not divisible by 9 or 3 also, okay, that means the given number is not divisible by 3 or 9. Okay, so see here are the numbers 27 and 81. If I ask you whether 27 is divisible by 3 or 9 or not, so what you will do, you just check A plus B value. So A means the digit at tens place and B means the digit at unit place, that means 2 plus 7, it will give you 9. Now tell me 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. Now 9 is divisible by 9? Yes. That means the 27 number is divisible by 3 also and 9 also. Same is the case with 81. Okay. Moving on to condition of 3-digit number in case of divisibility by 3 or 9. So a 3-digit number can be written as 100A plus 10B plus C. This is a general form of 3-digit number. Now I am going to make some changes in this general form. This 100A can be written as 99A plus A. You can write 100A as 99A plus A. Yes, it can be written. Plus this 10B can be written as 9B plus B. Yes, it can be written plus C. Okay, now take this 99A and plus 9B out and write this A plus B plus C in one bracket. Okay, that means the sum of digits in one bracket. अगर कोई भी 3-digit number लेंगे आप A B C, तो उसमें sum of digits क्या होती है? Digit कौन सी है? A B C, यही तो होगा sum of digits. So ये A B C वही तो हुआ. Okay, A plus B plus C वही तो हुआ. Fine. Moving on. Hence divisibility by 3 or 9 is possible. 3-digit नंबर के केस में 3 और 9 से डिविजिबिलिटी कब पॉसिबल होती है? When if A plus B plus C is divisible by 3 or 9. If this value gives you the number which is divisible by 3 or 9, that means the whole 3-digit number which is provided to you is divisible by 3 or 9. अगर आपको A plus B plus C की जो वैल्यू मिलती है वो 3 या 9 में से किसी से भी डिविजिबल है. अगर 3 से डिविजिबल है दैट मीन्स आपको जो 3-digit नंबर मिला है दैट इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. अगर 9 से डिविजिबल है तो दैट मीन्स जो आपको 3-digit नंबर मिला है दैट इज डिविजिबल बाय 9. ओके, On concluding this whole rule, what we got, that means a number is divisible by 3 or 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3 or 9. कोई भी नंबर 3 से या फिर 9 से तभी डिविजिबल होता है जब उसकी सम ऑफ डिजिट्स 3 या 9 से डिविजिबल होती है. देखिए 2 डिजिट के केस में भी बोला गया आपसे सिर्फ आपको a प्लस बी चेक करना है. 2 डिजिट में अगर कोई 2 डिजिट नंबर ए बी है तो उसकी डिजिट्स का सम क्या होता है a प्लस बी. वैसे 3 डिजिट के नंबर के केस में भी आपको कहा गया कि आपको बस a प्लस बी प्लस सी चेक करना है, बिकॉज ये 99 a 9b दे आर कंसिडर्ड ऑलरेडी टू बी डिविजिबल बाय 3 और 9 ना, और इस केस में 9a इज ऑलरेडी कंसिडर्ड टू बी डिविजिबल बाय 3 और 9. ओके, सो बेसिकली दोनों 2 डिजिट और 3 डिजिट दोनों में आपको सिर्फ सम ऑफ डिजिट्स चेक करनी होती है. इफ दे आर डिविजिबल बाय 3 और 9 द गिवन नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 और 9. ओके, सो दिस इज द रूल रिगार्डिंग डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 3 और 9. There are some more rules regarding divisibility of other numbers that we will discuss in next class. Till then, keep practicing questions related to these topics. So that's all for today. Thank you.